Hey guys, we are at the Sonic. We just had some double cheeseburgers. They were delicious. I wanted to show you my Tiger here. We got this thing about 2.5 years ago. I tell you what, I can't tell you how many times someone's bumped me from behind. One time I was backing up and I hit a trailer. It would have ripped the entire back bumper off. It fits right into a 2-inch receiver, and I tell you what, this thing is just absolutely solid. I'm shooting straight with you. I can't say enough good about it. There's a bunch of them out here. It covers about half my bumper, and I have a Honda Pilot, and on top of that, it's a great step up. And so I use this to step up, and that's actually a Tiger basket. And I tell you what, I'm very impressed with this company. They have a Tiger roll bar that goes in the front, but they don't have one yet for the Honda Pilot. So I'm like, ugh. But I tell you what, can't say enough good about it. If you're on the fence, I'm telling you, you're not going to regret getting one of these. And here's the thing, if you get it from Amazon, you don't like it, return the thing. All right, peace.